Aquatic plants are of three types. The plants which grow in water is known as aquatic plant. We always observe that some aquatic plants float on the water while some are completely under the water. On the basis of that, it has been divided into three types: floating plants, fixed plants, underwater or submerged plant. Floating plants, very clear from the names. The plant which floats on the surface of water, because they are either light or very small in size. We all know anything can float on the water until and unless it is very light in weight and very small in size. So these are the adaptation done by these plants so that they are able to float on the water. These plants are not fixed to the soil in the waterbed. Just if you see, these plants are not rooted, means not attached to the soil. That's why they are able to float. They have spongy bodies with lot of empty space filled with air. Here these bodies are completely filled with air, and if there is air, then their body becomes spongy and it becomes light-weighted, due to which it can float on water very easily, and it helps to float in the water. Some examples of floating plants are duckweed, water hyacinth and water lettuce. These are some of the floating plants which can float or they actually move on water. Fixed plants. These plants are rooted to waterbed of the pond, means the roots are connected to the soil in the waterbed or at the bottom of the ponds. The leaves are broad, plate-like and float over the surface of water. The leaf of these plants, which you can see lotus, this can float easily, but this flower cannot float. This cannot float because this is fixed to the soil. The leaves have a waxy coating that prevents water from collecting on them and prevent them from rotting. The leaves which we see, this leaf have a cover of waxing. Waxing का एक कवर होता है जो आप मोमबत्ती बोलते हो, जिसकी वजह से क्या होता है, the water cannot come on this leaf, and if the water will not come on the leaf, so the leaf do not get rotten. वो जो leaf होता है वो क्या होता है, खराब नहीं होता है. And the leaves have waxy coating, उसके ऊपर एक कोट जमा हो जाता है किसका, वैक्सिंग का, जिसकी वजह से वो आराम से आप वहाँ पे स्टे कर सकते हैं. Water lily is another example of floating plant. In water lily, stomata is present on the surface of the leaf to help and exchange the gases. As we all have studied that in normal plants, the leaf, the stomata is present underneath, मतलब कि वो निचले section में होता है. The stomata are present at the underneath, but in fixed plant, the stomata are found on the upper surface. Here, the stomata are found because the underneath surface is under the water. So here, no stomatas are found. The stomatas are found above or upper section of the leaf in order to exchange the gases, in order to breathe. The stems are hollow and light that enables the leaf to float. For example, if you see that if you attach it with a very heavy thing, then what will happen? It cannot float or it cannot move here and there. So the stem are very hollow का मतलब है खोखला होता है, कुछ भी भरा नहीं होता है, due to which what happens, it can easily float and leaf can also easily float on the water. The leaves are broad, which becomes a nesting place for tiny birds. As you can see, these leaves are such broad, so what happens, small birds can come and they sit here and it becomes a place for birds, and this is the place for nesting for the tiny birds, not the big bird, means not the large bird, but the small tiny birds, they can come and sit. Sometimes we also see frog on the leaf of the water lily or the lotus.